Okay, we're gonna go over this attack that I've kind of made up here. I seen this attack. It's like the IceWiBoBat on the internet, and I tried it, and it was a mediocre attack. It was decent, 75-80%, 2 stars. Struggled to get 3 stars with it, so I started tweaking with it, and this is what I got on my troop comp. And I've been able to do pretty decent on bases, even with multi-infernos with bats. And that's been the struggle, is the multi-inferno bases with bats doesn't work out very good sometimes. And I have attacked 7 in a row on our top TH12 bases and managed a 3-star. Our top guys, 7 attacks in a row with this, and these, as you can see, are no punk bases. So we're going to start off with explaining the attack here. You're going to lay down 4 ice golems. It shows 3, but you start with 4 because there's 1 laid out. And you spread them out, and I've been trying to attack closest to the eagle as I can on most bases. On a base like this, try to wipe out that eagle first because this is a non-healer base, and it's pretty tough if you don't take out the eagle quite promptly. So you're going to lay out the ice golems in a row. The 6 bowlers, you're going to use them as funnels, so lay 3 on each side of the ice golems. And then you're going to lay a couple of witches back behind the bowlers to help them funnel as well. And then once your funnel has started, lay your wall wrecker, heroes, and the remainder of your witches. So let's start the attack and watch and see how it goes down. Ice golems first. A couple of bowlers on each side to start the funnel. A few witches on each side. There you go. And as you can see, now that the funnel has started, I lay my heroes down and the remainder of the witches. Makes them to where they go up inside there. And I always try to get my wall wrecker inside if I can before I lay the rage down. If you can get the wall wrecker to the inside of the town hall and then rage right on top of the wall wrecker as it gets there, it tends to do really well at taking it out. Lay the jump directly on the town hall so they can go up and over it. So now you got wall wrecker, jump, Grand Warden, rage. Most important, because that town hall bomb will destroy everything. So once they get in there, lay the bats down and start staging your freezes on the wizard towers. And so you got a multi up there too. Wait till he gets done with the wizard tower. And he's going to get in there. Nothing really you can do about it but take out as much as you can. But I got enough inside right here already because I laid that jump down perfectly where they funneled in. And now they're going to take out the last multi inferno and the remainder of the troops. Let's speed this up to 2x here real quick. And I have plenty of troops left to go ahead and polish this base off. It's a max 12. Like I said, I've 3'd this base several times in a row, and he has switched his infernos back and forth from multi to single, and it does not matter. I tend to do a little bit better with them on single, obviously because of the bats, but I was still able to get the job done on multi.